we're doing maternity pictures this weekend, and I am going for the kind of cute jeans unbuttoned belly look. My fear is that the jeans aren't going to be a cute, I just have them a little unbuttoned for my belly. They're going to be like, girl, your pants are way too small, because I think we've grown other places. So let's see. Okay. I suddenly don't remember if this is the look. They feel kind of like they're not supposed to be so splayed open. I don't know. Let's try another one. Yeah, that's not it. All right, well, I think I just needed to go buy a pair of jeans that's maybe a size bigger, so wish me luck.